Hello everyone, I am Sachin Kratmal and welcome to today's video. In this session, I am going to explain you what is ATA Carnet Shipment, how it works and why it plays a crucial role in international shipping, especially for temporary imports and exports like exhibition, trade shows or professional equipments. If you are a part of export, import or logistic industry, this is something you definitely need to know. Let's get started. ATA Carnet shipment is a type of international shipment that allow goods to temporarily imported into a country without paying duty or taxes. First of all, we will check key features of ATA Carnet shipment. First is temporary import. ATA Carnet shipment allow goods to temporarily imported into a country for a specific period, usually up to 1 year. Second point is duty free. Goods imported under ATA Carnet are exempted from duties and taxes. Third is security deposit. A security deposit is required to guarantee of the goods will be re-exported within specific period. And the fourth is international custom document. The ATA Carnet is an international custom document that serves a guarantee for the temporary importation of goods. Now we can check what are the benefits of ATA Carnet shipment. First is reduced cost. ATA Carnet shipment eliminate the needs to pay duties and taxes on temporary imports. Second is simplified document procedure. The ATA Carnet simplifies custom clearance process, reducing the needs of additional documentation and custom clearance procedure. Third is increased efficiency. ATA Carnet shipment enable businesses to efficiently move goods across border for temporary use, such as exhibition, demonstration or repairs. Now we can understand which goods are eligible for ATA Carnet shipment. First is professional equipment. These goods are used for professional purpose such as cameras, musical instruments or medical equipments. Second is commercial samples. These goods are used as commercial samples for exhibitions, demonstrations or sales purpose. Third is exhibition goods. These goods temporarily imported for exhibition, trade fairs or other events. Now we can go through the procedure for ATA Carnet shipment. First is application. Apply for ATA Carnet through a national issuing association or a custom broker. Second is security deposit. Pay a security deposit to guarantee of the goods will be re-exported within the specific period. And the third is custom clearance. Clear customs in the importing country using the ATA Carnet. Fourth is re-exportation. Re-export the goods within the specified period, usually up to 1 year. So finally, ATA Carnet shipment offers a convenient and cost-effective way temporary import goods into a country without paying duty and taxes. By understanding the key features, benefits, eligible goods, procedure for ATA Carnet shipment, businesses can efficiently move goods across borders for temporary use. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. And the most important, don't forget to leave your comment and share your thoughts because your feedback means a lot. So please share your thoughts in the comment box. Stay tuned and keep watching.